Hello everyone and welcome to Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine and I'm so happy to have you here. This unicorn head that I will be working on today, I'm actually giving away. I have a giveaway going on right now that I will close on June 2nd. If you want to get in on that giveaway, please check out the video description for how you can enter. And you can also check out my Instagram at Dryer Days that has all the details about the giveaway of this unicorn head. I will also be giving away samples of some of the pigments and glitters that I used in this piece, as well as a magnet that I made myself. So I hope you can all enter and get in on that. This unicorn does have real Swarovski crystals, Just For You Online UK glitter, mirrored glass. It's just so sparkly and gorgeous. I love her. I got the birch board cutout of this unicorn at thewoodshapestore.com. You can check out my video description for their link to their website, as well as a $10 off coupon code. And I'm using my favorite stuff, some Epoxy Sculpt, and I just had to mix up a little bit. You can also find that linked below and also in my Amazon store. And I wanted to use that to separate the head from the hair, and I also wanted to make these sort of spiraled rings in the unicorn horn. And so I used my Epoxy Sculpt to set up those barriers and boundaries for that. After it set for 24 hours and dried, I came in with some paint colors as my base. I did prep this board with 2 layers of white gesso and then sanded it before I did any of this work. The birch boards do come from the Wood Shape Store as raw birch. They're really nice. They're nice and lightweight, and this is a 1/4 inch thick. After I paint is when I like to get all my stones down. And I am using real Swarovski crystals in this that were gifted to me. A lot of people ask me where I get those. They were actually gifted to me. And then I will come in with the mirrored glass too along the hairline there. And I will also add some glitter. I am using Just For You Online UK glitter. It's a fine pink holographic. And I'm also using a snowcus pocus from Faux Rizzle. All these glitters are just beautiful. They're so sparkly. I really enjoyed using all of them. You can see up there at the top the products that I had laid out that I wanted to use in this. For the head part, the lighter colors, I am using a unicorn and Easter egg pigment from Faux Rizzle that you will receive samples of in the giveaway. I'm also using Faux Rizzle resin in this piece. You can find a link to that in the description, and I will also link the other resins that I love to use, which are Pro Marine and Stone Coat. I do have a discount code for Stone Coat. Whenever you click on the links in the description of my videos, it does help support my channel, and I appreciate that so much. If you want to support my channel in other ways, I also have a PayPal where you can do a one-time donation, and I also have a Patreon account where you can do monthly donations, and there are different tiers set up for that, and rewards. I do send rewards out to the PayPal contributors as well, so you will get in on stuff that way too. And I just really appreciate all the support. Thank you so much. It makes it possible for me to keep doing this, which is something that I love doing. I love bringing these videos to you all and my artwork, and it's just something I'm very passionate about. Here I'm just laying plain clear resin along the edges here because I didn't want my pigmented resin to get into the Swarovski rhinestones there or to get into the mirrored glass. So I'm creating essentially a little barrier here with that clear resin. Coming in with my unicorn pigment and also my Easter egg pigment. And these are just beautiful effects that I get with the both of these. The Easter egg has a little bit more of a blue or a cooler tone, and the unicorn has more of a pink tone. You can also see there my painter's pyramids that I have set up under the head. Man, these come in just so handy, and you can see I just have one right under that horn to help keep this thing level for me. You can find those in my Amazon shop. I love them. I use them whenever I do resin. They are just so awesome in helping to keep your board or your canvas elevated, even in acrylic pouring as well, not just for resin. Some Just For You Online UK iridescent flakes. I think they really added a beautiful highlight and gave more dimension to the head in this piece. And I will also incorporate some of that into the hair here as well. I am including in the giveaway some of this fine pink glitter, as well as some fine purple violet glitter from Just For You Online UK. And I'm just so excited about this. I knew I wanted to make this unicorn a giveaway. I think she turned out beautifully. I hope you guys can all get in on that giveaway and participate. And I'll just continue to go around on here filling that in. I will come in with clear resin too to help blend it throughout the hair and to give a nice effect, a blending effect with that clear resin. And I will go quiet and let you guys watch. Let the head sit and cure for a week, and I wanted to come in with my really bright camera light to try to show you all the glitter and the sparkle. It was a cloudy day again when I was trying to get this edited. I feel like there's always a cloudy overcast day when I'm trying to do this, and I need the sun so you guys can see all the sparkle, but I'll try to get another video clip of that, and you can check that out over on my Instagram. I'm always posting on there my artwork, so definitely come check out my Instagram at Drier Days. Come over and join the Facebook group, Drier Days Art Studio Resin and Fluid Art Group. Get in on this giveaway. I want to give this unicorn head away to somebody. You do have to be in the US per shipping restrictions. I'm sorry about that, but you do have to be a US resident. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep on pouring.